Are you ready to up your social media advertising game and propel your business to new heights? Today we'll get deep into social media marketing agencies, revealing the secrets behind the tactics that will rule the landscape in 2024. From innovative concepts to insider tips, we're revealing what it takes to succeed in the constantly shifting landscape of digital marketing. Whether you're a seasoned SMMA pro or just starting out on your entrepreneurial adventure, this video contains vital data that can help your firm grow. So grab your notepad, buckle up, and prepare to crack the code to SMMA success in 2024. Unlock the strategies that will set you apart from the competition, positioning your agency for exceptional success. Number 1. AI-infused SEO insight. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is transforming how organizations understand and use SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. This includes ensuring that your website appears when people search for terms associated with your business on search engines such as Google. For example, Google's BERT algorithm is a sort of artificial intelligence that aids in understanding the meaning of words in queries. This enables Google to provide more useful and accurate results to users. In 2024, successful SEO methods will incorporate AI to keep up with changes in how engines such as Google work. This entails tailoring your website and content to what people are looking for, making you more likely to appear in the results of their searches. AI can greatly improve content and increase its visibility on the internet. It can optimize your content for search engines such as Google. Businesses can utilize AI to identify areas where they can improve their online visibility, change the terms they use, and optimize their website pages for engines like Google. In addition, AI assists in determining which terms to use more frequently in order to gain notice online, and its accuracy improves with time. Number 2. Intent-driven SEM campaigns are a strategic shift. SEM tactics are moving beyond keyword-based campaigns. Consider how firms like Airbnb have shifted to intent-driven ads. By analyzing data to determine the intent of users, advertisers can adapt their SEM efforts to what people are searching for. This not only optimizes ad spend but also enhances conversion rates by offering users precisely what they're looking for. B2 billion sales cycles are capable of lasting a year and frequently involve numerous parties. In this scenario, an intent-driven advertising tactic is essential for detecting active demand. It helps you understand what drives each stakeholder in the target firm. This, in return, allows us to engage each of them with appropriate substance, ensuring their buy-in. Intent-based marketing minimizes overall campaign expenses and increases ROI. This is because your prospects have progressed beyond awareness and are now in the process of considering or making a decision. So you simply bypass the first few steps of the buyer's trip. Number 3. Hyperlocal SEO niche targeting action. Local SEO is growing more significant as more people look for neighborhood businesses and services. Consider a small coffee business that wants to rank highly in searches for the best coffee near me. Companies can greatly improve their visibility in specific regions by implementing hyperlocal methods, such as optimizing their website for location-specific keywords and creating content customized to the local population. This focused strategy makes it easier for prospective consumers to find them and improves their attractiveness to the local audience, resulting in increased foot traffic as well as online interaction. In a nutshell, hyperlocal SEO is doing the same kind of optimization, but for smaller, more focused localities such as neighborhoods, towns, streets, and spots located near well-known landmarks rather than local SEO, which would normally stop at cities, districts, or regions. The benefits are clear. The search journey is simpler for your customer, it's easier to compete with other businesses for more niche hyperlocal search terms, and it should lead to more footfall to your door. Google is also aware of these benefits. In recent years, it has responded to the mobile habits of users who are increasingly searching for businesses near me or near to, and who are more often using hyperlocal locations in their phrases. Number 4. Social bookmarking promotion. Social bookmarking sites are websites that allow people to share resources using an associated URL instead of the material itself. These sites include Dig, StumbleUpon, Mixex, Delicious, and hundreds more. The purpose of this strategy is to rank on the first page or at the top of these sites, resulting in massive traffic to your website. For this to work, 2 events must happen. 1 is that your content or services have the potential to go viral. 2, you must be able to convince the power users of the bookmarking sites to vote for you. This can be challenging and costly to execute. Social bookmarking benefits your blog by increasing the number of visitors who discover it. When you share your blog entries on sites like Facebook or StumbleUpon, more people interested in your subject will see them. This means you'll receive more clicks, views, and shares, as well as more visitors and followers. Sharing on these sites can also help your blog's search engine ranking by generating backlinks to your site and showing search engines that your content is relevant. Furthermore, it can make you appear as an authority in your subject by providing useful and creative content and participating in conversations with other people. Number 5. Marketing gamification. It is all about providing engaging content that, inadvertently, affects your brand. This can take many forms, including appealing films, intriguing competitions, and creative websites intended to pique people's interest. However, it is a difficult method because it frequently necessitates a considerable investment in terms of resources and finance, so success is not assured. Few social media consultants specialize in this region because it requires a high level of organization and imagination to execute well. A good business gamification campaign has the ability to reach 1 billion people, making it extremely profitable. However, when people debate these campaigns, they often highlight the innovation or entertainment value rather than the company behind them. Therefore, it is vital. Number 6, business partnership. Partnering with a non-competing service provider in your niche is another way to utilize social media marketing to get new clients for your firm. By forming partnerships with firms that complement each other, you can increase your visibility to prospective new customers by gaining access to their networks and customer base. Since your partner has access to your networks, these relationships may be advantageous to both parties. This is due to the collaborative nature of the digital marketing sector, where thousands of service providers focus on specialized niches. You must first create ideal customer profiles and buyer personas to determine who your ideal clients are. If you want to acquire relevant consumers through business partnerships, consider what further services they may require or currently outsource after that. Take note that these have to be services that a possible partner is providing but that you are not. For instance, as a social media marketing company, organizations that offer SEO or website construction services to your target market may be possible business partners. Establish a weekly goal for the number of business owners you want to get in touch with to inquire about potential partnerships after you've identified companies with which you can work. To achieve this, just schedule a Zoom meeting or a cup of coffee to get to know one another better. You can also refer each other to agencies that you think would be a good fit in order to increase your clientele. Number 7, analytics and reporting. For SMMA programs to be evaluated for success, analytics and reporting are essential. To determine whether their ads are effective, these firms must monitor a wide range of performance measures, including engagement rate, reach, click-through rate, and conversions. By tracking likes, comments, shares, and other user interactions with content, the engagement rate gauges how well the material connects with its audience. The campaign's visibility may be evaluated by looking at the reach, which is the total number of distinct users who have viewed the material. The efficiency of calls to action and ad placements is highlighted by CTR, which calculates the ratio of users who click on a link to all users who read the content. Conversions measure how often users finish a desired activity that clearly illustrates how the campaign has affected business objectives, such as buying something or subscribing to a newsletter. It is crucial to convey these findings to clients in an understandable and straightforward way. Customers must comprehend not only the data but also the narrative that accompanies it: what succeeded, what failed, and why. Because of this, experts in analytics and reporting must possess a thorough understanding of data analysis and visualization software. I appreciate you joining us on this trip through the best SMMA tactics for 2024. We've discussed the value of AI-infused SEO analytics, the strategic move to intent-driven SEM campaigns, the significance of hyperlocal SEO, particularly targeting, the advantages of social bookmarking promotion, and the influence of marketing gamification. Now is the moment on your behalf to take action and integrate these cutting-edge methods into your own social media marketing efforts. Don't wait any longer to realize the potential for your company to prosper in the digital world of 2024. Remember that success in social media marketing necessitates staying ahead of the competition and embracing novel strategies. So grab your pen, begin brainstorming, and let's crack the code of SMMA success together. Don't pass up this opportunity to revolutionize your organization and dominate the digital scene in 2024.